Good morning and happy Monday. What we're going to be working on today is we're going to be reviewing our activity from Friday, which was the cell city analogy. So once we review our actual model of our cell city from class, I'm going to have you complete this Google form, which basically reviews much of what we talked about in class. So it is going to be a Google form. Please don't do the Google form until your teacher tells you that it's good to complete it, because we're going to be reviewing much of that information. Again, it's a really good way to review. An analogy is kind of something that you use in a comparison way. So you're comparing the parts of the cell organelles, to parts of the city and kind of how they mimic in job and in function, hopefully to make it a little easier for you. So if you look at today's post, you do have an answer key, again, to compare your answers with what you got on Friday, as well as this Google form. So if you take a look at my screen, you will also see this right here, which is the analogy form. Okay, so you do your first name, last name, and then the period. And then if you continue, there's a bunch of questions, so it might take you some time, but you'll answer. What is the basic unit of life? What are organelles? What does the cell membrane do? Okay, and I of course, along the way, I included a bunch of different graphics to kind of hopefully help you get to the right answer. Okay, so you're going to answer all of those respective questions. It is scored out of 100 points. So please make sure you're focused. Use your resources. Use that cell city analogy. Use what you have been listening to in class. And hopefully you'll be in a good boat and do well on this it's a mini assessment. I want to know if you're understanding the content for that. So if you have any questions, please feel free again to reach out. This is also the answer key that you can use to help you or to compare your answers from Friday. And otherwise, just reach out to your teacher and we'd be happy to